In this video I will show you how to automatically send an email to someone after they fill in a Microsoft form. In this example we have a form called Test Form. When someone submits this form, Power Automate will read their email address from the response and immediately send them a confirmation email. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Power Automate and create a new flow. Open Power Automate. Click on Create in the left menu and choose Automated Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, for example Send Confirmation Email Test Form. Then search for Microsoft Forms and select the trigger called when a new response is submitted. Click Create to continue. Step 2. Connect the trigger to your form. In the trigger step you will see a drop-down called Form ID. Click on it and select your form from the list. Step 3. Get the response details. Click on New Step and search for Microsoft Forms again. This time select the action called Get Response Details. In the Form ID field select the test form again. In the Response ID field click inside the box and select Response ID from the Dynamic Content panel. Step 4. Send the confirmation email. Click on New Step and search for Outlook. Select the action called Send an Email V2 from the Office 365 Outlook connector. In the To field click inside the box and select Responder's email from the Dynamic Content panel. In this example I use my own email address. Fill in the subject field and write your confirmation message in the body. You can use dynamic content here to personalize the email, for example the description, department, priority and submission time from the test form. Step 5. Save and test the flow. Click Save in the top right corner. Then click Test, choose Manually and click Test again. Open your Microsoft form and submit a test response using your own email address. Go back to Power Automate and wait for the flow to finish. You will see green check marks on each step when everything runs successfully. Then check your inbox to confirm the email arrived. You have now built a flow that automatically sends a confirmation email to anyone who submits your Microsoft form. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new tutorials.